Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform any photo into a sticker on WhatsApp. So you can turn your favorite pics into fun custom stickers right inside WhatsApp. No extra app needed, no tech skills required, and in this tutorial I'll show you how you can transform any photo into a WhatsApp sticker in just a few taps. So it's fast, easy, and totally game changing for your chats. So first, you can just open the WhatsApp applications and open any conversations or chat. Say this one in here, and then you can just click on the conversations tab and click on the sticker options in here. Now you'll see the sticker, and if you want to create your sticker, you can just tap on this create button, and now you can choose the stickers the photo for the sticker. Let's say in here I'm going to find from here. Okay, I'm going to just use this image for example. Click on the image or the photo and just wait, because WhatsApp will automatically cut out the objects for the stickers. Here you can adjust the size, you can adjust the positions by pinching it, by zooming it, or zooming out like this. Okay, and now we can also customize the stickers. Here you can add the tags, for example like this. You can choose the text style with background or not, like this. You can also change the text color by using the slider on the right side of your screen. And here at the bottom you can also change the type of font for the stickers. Okay, so if you're done, you can just tap on done, and here you can adjust the positions of the tags like this. You can also use this pen to add some drawing to your stickers. And if you're done creating the stickers, you can just tap on this one to send it. And just like that, your stickers will be saved automatically. So when you want to reuse it again, you can just repeat the same steps. You can find the stickers in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.